saying, oh, no. Oh. Yeah. I mean, I guess they're more comfy, right? Yeah. Yeah. Woo. My goodness. Got him. There we are. Yeah. Are you kidding me? Oh, fuck. Yeah, I had a bobber down the other time as well. Maybe. Haven't had a super great look at him yet. This is my second bobber down, Dad. I'm just like anchored here and they're like hitting right here at the pilings. Woohoo! I'm just getting towed around. It was great. Whee! Maybe. Maybe he's like slightly dusky, but he's keepable. But he actually is probably too big for this net. I like how he's just towing me around. Yeah. He's underneath me again. Oh, he's decently brightish. He's not super chrome. Okay, he's getting tired. Ah! He's too big for the net! It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I got him. I bet I can get him. I just have to get him very specifically in this net. Oh shit. I got him. Like he swallowed it too. Like the hook is in his mouth, Anyways, Dad, go get another one. 101. Woo.
Hopefully we're filming this, but Michael has a fish.
Just getting towed around. Great.
Is it a pretty bright one?
Maybe. Maybe he's like slightly dusky, but he's keepable.
Okay.
But he actually is probably too big for this net.
Oh, here. I'm coming.
I like how he's just towing me around.
It's Michael, out of control.
Yeah. He's underneath me again.
Okay.
Decently brightish. Not super chrome.
Whoa, he's nice. No, it's a nice fish.
Tired. Ah, it's too big for that.
Wait, hold on. I'm trying to make my way slowly over there.
I got my gun. I bet I can get him. I just have to get him very specifically in this net.
Yeah, let me go on the other side though. Oh, you got him. He's huge.
I got him.
Okay. Right on.
Like he swallowed it too. Like
Yeah.
the hook is in his mouth.
Ugh.
Anyways, time to go get you another one.
Okay.
A little bit.
Hopefully you're on camera. I'm not sure.
That's okay. It might be already off. I only have like an hour or something of film.
Oh man, this guy is like.
Shit. Holy crap.
Woo.
Maybe I'll chase him in the kayak. Where is he going?
Is your rod tip broken?
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah.
When did it break?
I broke on a piling by accident.
Oh.
Like this morning when I was harvesting jigs. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna walk down. What is happening?
Wow, this guy doesn't want to quit. You might have to chase him in the kayak. Okay, either it's a huge fish or it's a big log. I never had to run down before. Chase the fish down. He only has 12-pound tests, so he has to be really ginger with this thing. Do you see him? I see your line, but...
I know. I haven't seen him this entire time. He's just been deep. So let him get tired.
I don't think he's getting tired.
Do you want to go back to fishing and I'll just call you when he's tired?
No.
I could probably solo net him too. I really want to see him.
Is it going the other way?
Yeah.
Good.
Just wrap around that piling.
Oh, I hope not.
That would suck.
No, he's not wrapped around yet.
Okay, he's not.
So this was just the free-floating eggs.
Yeah.
Did he strike it or did he just kind of nibble? Woo! Let's get-
Wait, I think he's on the pilot. Can you crack me the kayak?
Okay.
Right here. Oh.
Or he.
Yeah, he's still running. What the fuck?
You still got him?
Yeah, I still got him.
Oh my god. Okay, I see your leader.
Yeah. Holy shoot.
That's amazing.
Yeah. What the heck?
Well, you know what? You can tire him out with your thing. Yep.
Past the net.
I'll take that other pole so it doesn't get in your way.
Trade it.
Okay, you good?
I think so.
Yeah, tie them out with your kayak now.
That, I don't know how this line's not broken.
Okay.
Big fish.
It's a huge fish. Or is a huge fighter. Oh, Michael, you gonna go right into them?
Fish on has priority.
Oh, you can. Oh, that's not it.
Got him.
Woo-wee. That was a heck of a fighter, though.
Yeah. I mean, this one is like.
Well, let me.
16.
Yeah.
Let her go.
Sure.
Okay. Are you filming it?
Yep.
Okay.
Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna let this guy go. 16-pound king. That's a big fight, though.
There she goes. That was a fight.
That was amazing. That was amazing that you had to use the kayak to chase him.
I'm like so shocked the line didn't break still. I'm just like,
And it's only 12 pound?
yeah, this is 12-pound test.
That's amazing.